What's up guys, it's Chef Bryce Taylor with Flavor for Life. Our goal at McCormick's Flavor for Life is to teach people how to use herbs and spices to make food taste better. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make healthier food options by lowering salts, sugars, and fats. And you might be thinking, well, how can I pull that off and still make it taste good? Trust me, it's a lot easier than you think. Today, I'm going to be making the BMore Veggie Burger with our featured product, Old Bay seasoning. We're going to put 2 cups of chickpeas into a food processor. We're going to add 1 minced onion. Next, we're going to add 1 minced garlic clove. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, 1 cup of cooked brown rice, and lastly, we're going to add an egg. So you just want to blend that together really well. Okay, so we might need to add 1 more egg. We don't really want the burger to fall apart. So we're going to blend that into a thick paste. Next, we're going to form our patties. We're going to put those into the baking sheet. And then we're going to bake them at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Be sure to flip them halfway through. Next, we're going to make our Old Bay sauce. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning to a ½ cup of low-fat Greek yogurt. Now we gotta build your burger. So we're gonna spread our sauce on the bun, then we're gonna add our lettuce, then tomato. We're gonna put our patty right on top, spread a little bit more sauce on the top bun, and there you have it, the BMore Veggie Burger.